Here I have CUBOT Max 2 and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, let's hold down on power off. Keep holding power off for a few seconds and the following info should pop up. So if you would like to reboot to safe mode, so if you would like to open the safe mode on your device, let's tap OK. That's it. The phone is restarting. Alright, as you can see, the safe mode pops up, so now you can use your device in a safe mode, or you can simply quit this mode by pressing the power key. Let's choose restart, tap OK. And that's it. The home screen pops up, so now you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.